Getting a new phone is exciting, but you probably want to keep all of your contacts without entering them one by one. The good news is that if your contacts are stored in your Google account, transferring them is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you the best ways to move your Google contacts to a new phone. Before switching phones, confirm that your contacts are saved to your Google account. Open Google Contacts or check your current phone's Contacts app to make sure your contacts are syncing with Google instead of being stored only on the device or SIM card. Next, make sure contact synchronization is enabled. On Android, open Settings, tap your Google account, then select Sync and confirm that Contacts is turned on. Wait a few moments while your latest contacts upload to your Google account. Now sign in to your new phone using the same Google account. If you've already finished setting up the device, simply add your Google account through the Settings app. After signing in, open your Google account sync settings and make sure contact syncing is enabled, so your saved contacts will begin downloading automatically to the new phone. Once synchronization finishes, open the Contacts app and verify that all of your contacts have been transferred. You can also check Google Contacts in a web browser to make sure everything matches your account. If your contacts aren't synced with Google, you can export them as a vCard file from your old phone or Google Contacts, then import that file onto your new device. This is a great backup option whenever automatic syncing isn't available. And that's it. You now know how to transfer Google Contacts to a new phone. Keeping your contacts synced with your Google account makes switching devices simple and helps protect your important information. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.